Are you thinking of grabbing a great deal from BTURIDL.com? Hold on, before you rush to place an order, you'll want to hear this full review. BTURIDL.com claims to offer heavily discounted home and garden products, which sounds tempting, especially if you're looking for budget-friendly upgrades. But when you dig beneath the surface, the platform starts to look suspicious. First off, all the reviews on their website are overly positive, with no sign of any real customer criticism, and that's a major red flag. Genuine businesses usually have a mix of feedback, but here it looks like the reviews are either fake or carefully filtered. On Trustpilot, one of the most reliable review sites, there are only 6 reviews for BTURIDL.com and all are negative, which directly contradicts the glowing praise seen on their own site. That alone should make you pause. Digging deeper, many of the product images used on BTURIDL.com are not original. They appear to be copied from other online stores, which points to a lack of authenticity and raises questions about where the products are actually coming from. The domain itself was only registered recently on April 3, 2025, so the site is barely a month old. Yet it's pushing aggressive marketing tactics like fake countdowns and only a few left in stock alerts to create urgency. These are classic psychological tricks used by scam stores to pressure people into buying without thinking. Even more concerning is the absence of a real company background, no verifiable business address, no social media presence, and vague or generic contact details. So is BTURIDL.com legit or a scam? Based on all these findings, it's clear the store raises a lot of red flags. While there's no hard proof that it's a scam, the signs are definitely not in its favor. There's just not enough transparency, credibility, or trustworthiness to recommend it as a safe place to shop. If you're considering making a purchase, it might be smarter to hold off and look for more reputable alternatives. Better to be cautious now than regretful later.